Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 5.1, question number 1. In which of the following situation does a list of numbers involved make an AP and Y? So we need to find out the numbers which is involved in this problem. Then we have to say that whether it is an AP or not. By checking the difference we have to find out whether it is an AP or not. Coming to the first problem. The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So the taxi they are getting 15 rupees for first kilometer alone. For the next kilometer onwards they are taking 8 rupees. For the first kilometer one time 8 rupees they have to pay. If they are moving for one more kilometer they have to pay 2 times 8 rupees. So for the first kilometer, so the amount paid is the amount paid will be for the first kilometer it's only 15 rupees for the first kilometer. So when we are traveling for the second kilometer it will be 15 rupees for the first kilometer and plus 8 rupees for the second kilometer. When they are moving for the next kilometer, here they have for the second kilometer they have paid 23 rupees. Now when they are moving for the next kilometer, so 23 rupees they have paid for the before kilometer. So here the next kilometer 8 rupees will be added. In this way every kilometer 8 is added to each and every kilometer. So here the first kilometer is 15. The second kilometer will be 23. And the next kilometer will be 31, and this way it will be going on. So look at this one. Here we are getting all the difference are same because 15 added with 8 is getting 23. From 23 if we are adding 8 we are getting 31. Since the difference are same, it is an AP. It is an AP. So the first situation given to us is forming an AP. The reason is the difference are same. We'll move on to the next problem now. Look at the second problem. The amount of air present in a cylinder when vacuum pumps removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So you are using a vacuum pump. For example, we are taking some number to identify whether it is an AP or not. Suppose in the beginning, the air availability is 1600 in the beginning stage. When you are pumping once, the 1/4 of the air only will be the remaining air will be going out of the cylinder. So 1/4 of 1600 we have to find. So that will be 400. So the first pumping only the 400 will be the remaining in the cylinder. Remaining gas it will go off. Again if we are pumping the cylinder, 1/4 of the remaining is 400 only now. So this will be getting cancelled. So now the remaining air is only 100. Again if you are pumping once again the vacuum pump, again 1/4 will be the remaining air will be get out of that cylinder. That will be 25. So this is a gas will be remaining in the cylinder. The first time that was 1600, then 400, then 100, then 25. The difference of the numbers will not same here. So we have to say that it is not an AP. It's not an AP because the common difference is not same. That's why. We'll move on to the next problem now. Third question. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging when it cost 150 rupees for the first meter and it raises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meters. So they are going to digging a well. The first meter alone they are going to pay 150 rupees. So for first kilometer, that is the first meter actually. For first meter they have to pay rupees 150. Then for the second meter when they are taking the well for 2 meter, they have to pay 50 rupees extra. For the second meter it will be 150 plus 50. So they have to pay 200. If they are making the well for 3 meters, then again one more 50 rupees they have to give. So 200 plus 50 rupees they have to pay. That will be 250. Again if they are going for 4th meter, again they have to pay one more 50 rupees. Likewise 50 rupees will be given for subsequent meters they have given to you. Now 150, 200, 250. Look at the differences, only 50 rupees. For each and every subsequent only 50 is added. So we can say that it is an AP. The reason is common difference is same. Common difference value is 50 rupees. That's why it is an AP. We'll move on to the fourth problem now. Hi student, look at the fourth one. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at the compound interest at 8% per annum. So what will be the amount on 10,000 rupees when it's deposited on the compound interest. Question given to us very clearly, it is in compound interest. Children, understand one thing very clearly. For simple interest, that interest what is they are adding for each and every year, it will remain the same. Whereas in compound interest, that interest value will be getting vary. Once the amount is calculated for the first year, the second year will be interest will be calculated for the amount itself. So likewise, the interest will be getting varied. So we have an amount formula for compound interest, that is P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. This is a formula is used for finding compound interest. So for the first year, what will be the amount they are getting? We'll check it here. So for the first year, again P is nothing but the principal what they are depositing. That is 10,000 into 1 plus rate of interest will be 8 only. 8 by 100 the whole power n is the first year. So 1 will be written for the power. This is the amount they will be getting at the end of the first year. The second year means the same thing. 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square we have to take. In the second year, that n is the number of year, that will be written as 2. When you are going for the third year, again the 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 the whole power 3 it will be. Look at all these values. That number what we are multiplying, this is 100 plus 8. 108 by 100 one time. Here 108 by 100 two times. Here 108 by 100 is 3 times. The multiplication value is getting increased. So definitely it will not be an AP, because AP means that the addition value should get increased, not a multiplication value that will come under GP is not an AP. So we can say that it is not an AP since the difference are not same. Common difference is not same. That is the reason behind it. Thank you for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.